Let's take a look at this free volume boosting app that comes with a equalizer, a bass booster, a virtualizer, the 10 bands here, as you can see here. You can go ahead and choose those here. And best of all, the volume booster that will go past 100%. And this is a free app. It is part of Google. This here is a Xiaomi phone here. I'll take you to the Play Store here to show you exactly which app I have here. And this is my second year using this app. It's a free app. There is going to be ads, but not to the point where you get annoyed. Most likely only when you first open up the app to make use of it. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So it's this one here. It's by these guys here, 362. And once you're in the app itself here, this is going to happen. So once you go into it, this is going to play. And it quickly gives you the option to continue to the app. So that's one of the good things I like about this app. You don't have to wait for the ad to play, which can be very annoying because we don't want to go through that, right? Now, once you go into this here, you'll see the volume here. You have an edge lighting feature right here, which I can just quickly show you here, and it's up to you to turn that on, but we're just here mainly to see the volume booster. So the volume booster, basically, you can use these controllers here. This here to the top row is your main volume. This is like your original volume of your phone. So if you max it out, that's 100%. Now, once you hit 125, it's gonna get louder, and I'm gonna play a song quickly just to avoid copyright here to show you how loud it gets. And then we have the equalizer here. So the equalizer, you want to turn this on, and you got all these here, these other options here, the different types of boosters, okay? Kind of like a Dolby Atmos here. So if your phone is one of those boring Android phones with no equalizers, definitely recommend getting this app itself, right? And you got the bass booster here and the volume virtualizer here and these bands here. So let's go ahead and play a song. So based on my testing, you will also notice there's going to be like a little bit of cracking or crackling in the background because it gets really loud, and you don't want to go past 125 or 150 for a long period of time. It can blow your speakers. So we got a Street Fighter song here. Hopefully that doesn't get copyright. This is 30 volume, and just listen and you tell me if it sounds different. Here we go. So you can clearly hear that there is a pinch of an increase in terms of volume, and also the equalizer can help with the clarity and all that stuff. So try it out. Let me know in the comments section how it works for you. And that's basically it for this guide here. Like and sub.